So today we have a lost and found Hiro. The cab, the model looks fine on the front. The flip face function, it does work, see? It does works perfectly. Now these wheels remain locked until you turn the switch to the on position. So this is a version of the flip face torquing models, and here as you can barely see there is a little remaining of the stickers. I just remember that I had the decals, but since none of the nobody had not everybody has access to these models, I no longer have I think I lost it, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to find it on my computer, on my files. But here, let me show you this. It does have a lot of corrosions. Yeah, definitely we need to replace these battery contacts, see right there. And I just opened it just to show you. Oh, look at that. So I just pulled this and all the wires come off. So we don't know where where the wires gone, which is which. I don't know. I just pull it off and see all the wires are, I don't know. I gotta find probably another lost and found Hiro, or maybe I can base on the other talking models. I think the speakers, yeah, the speakers right here. Here's the speaker wire, it goes right there. And the battery, okay, 1, 2, right here we have positive, negative. They are right there. I think these ones are for the flip face talking function. Here, the yellow ones, yeah, the yellow ones are for the flip face activated switch. There is a switch actually right here. There's kind of mercury, I think it's mercury or magnet. When you turn the face, in this face right here does have magnet or a piece of metal, and the magnet is inside. And then when you move the face, or the face turns right like this, it pulls a switch, or I think it's mercury, and makes contact. Yes, it's mercury. If I'm not mistaken, a long time ago I fixed several of these, and there is a mercury. It pulls down and makes contact, and then activates the sound, the phrases on this model. So I don't know. I just opened it, and I don't know if it's gonna take me long time. I mean, I have a long waiting list for other models that arrive before this model. And since I don't know where these wires connect, anyway, it's gonna take me a little bit of time. See how bad it is, because I just remove and the wires comes off, so we don't know. Probably I'm gonna find someone to send me a picture of the circuit board, because I don't have any references at the moment. But anyways, this will be for the next week. Okay, I just wanted to show you this model. It's in really bad condition. I mean, the tender. The rest, the front is excellent. Okay,